I welcome you back to Brain Tech YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button. In this video, I will take few of your minutes to show you how to get an account on the Truth social media. This platform is owned by former United States President Donald Trump. It was created in 2021 after micro-blogging platform Twitter banned Donald Trump from the platform. So I'll carefully show you how to get an account in few minutes. You can use three platforms to create your account. The first is the iOS, and the second is Android, and the third is the web. The iOS is the Apple Store, and the Android is the Google Play Store, and the last, which is the web, is the official website. You can use those three platforms to create an account on the Truth Social. So let's start from the platform, the web. Let me show you how to create an account via their web portal. Truth, www.truthsocial.com, and you launch it. It will open. So as you can see, it is giving us 3 to 4 platforms which you can get their app and you proceed with the registration. The first is the App Store for Apple. The second is the Android Play Store, and the third is the Play Store. Sorry, let me take it again. The first is the App Store, the second is Android APK, the third is the Play Store, and the last is the Galaxy Store for Samsung phones. So we go down. So this is where you can register for an account. So you click on the register button. It opens. You can now fill in your information, and after then you click on next. So in this process, I'll urge you to use an email address. Don't use a phone number in the verification step. While using the email, it will be easier and safer in case you forget your email in the nearest future. So during the process, an email will be sent to make a confirmation. After confirming, you will automatically have an account. So let me show you how to register via their app. I want to use the Google Play Store because this device is Android. So we go to the third option, App Store, Android APK. The third one is Play Store, so it can take us to Google Play Store. We are now in the Google Play Store. So to proceed, you click on the green button, which is install, and it will start installing. After installing, you launch it. From there, you will be able to register for an account. As I told you earlier, you are advised to use your email address. Don't use a phone number for verification of the account, except you don't have an email. To get an email, it is very easy to get an email. So let me show you the website you can use to get to all this, because on this their single website you can easily get in touch with all their links to different stores via any operating system, that is OS. The website once again is www.truthsocial.com. If you check the top part of the screen, it is boldly written there. So that is a website you need to use in order to get an account, or in order to have access to the links to take you to your respective store to get this app downloaded to your phone. After that, you proceed to the registration. After the registration, automatically you will get an account and you start using it. Remember, this Truth Social, it is a replica of Twitter and newly created threads by Instagram. They are all micro blogging platforms. So unlike before that Twitter had no competitor, now there are two competitors, which is the Truth Social and the Threads by Instagram. Remember, some years ago, Elon Musk purchased the Twitter platform from his former owners. So the new owner of Twitter is Elon Musk. So if you have any question in regards to creating an account on the Truth Social, please do well to drop it in the comment section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. Browse this channel because we have other interesting videos for you. Take your time and enjoy your new Truth Social account.